Jon. When we first met, I didn't really like you. What changed my mind was your kind and caring attitude and how well my rubbish vanished from my aisles at work. Fatefully, our timelines aligned. We were on similar paths, we had the same goals, and slowly my heart became yours. And here we are today.
Michelle, from the moment we met, working side by side during those part-time shifts, I knew there was something extraordinary about you. Our journey began as we both navigated the transition from one career to another. But this transition would lead me straight to the love of my life.
Jon and Michelle, we are here today to celebrate the greatest thing that anyone can hope for. A love sprung from the most unlikely of places that has led you on an incredible adventure together over the past 4 years.
It's like running through an open door.
Here, hand in hand with one another, just remember that you already have everything that you need to live a happy and fulfilling life.
We won't wait no more. Every season.
When they met for the very first time, amongst the rather romantic setting of the Chemist Warehouse botany, they never could have known just how much they were set to change one another's lives.
Story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
all the dreaming. Let us here today. Can you see it? We got a beautiful story.
They're just doing some pretend they're not
I
there.
didn't realize you were recording.
I'm constantly finding myself in awe every day with you. In your eyes, I see a future filled with endless adventures, a journey that stretches beyond the horizon.
Best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never found my.
I loved your family as you love mine. I rely on you. You're my Bob the Builder. You are capable and you have become my person.
We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got
You treat my family like family? Oh man, it's so
best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
I know we are both different but the same. We are both fiery and our journey has not been the smoothest. But I promise you that it will never be dull. And if we have disagreements, we will always find our way again.
Story. Every moment on.
Today, I vow to carry out the act of not just a chore, but as a symbol of a lifetime of caring, a testament of my unwavering devotion to you by taking out your trash forever.
To come. The best is yet to come. Never found.
You have the best qualities and your heart is so big. Your love has made me a better person and has humbled me. I love you, Jon Chan, and I would choose you 3,000 times over. There's no one else I would like to do life but with you.
Beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Michelle and Jon, here's to you, to an amazing future, to growing old together. It is with great excitement that I may now pronounce you, Jon and Michelle, husband and wife.
Story. Every moment on it.
this vow, I lay bare my heart, place it gently in your hands, knowing that you will hold it tenderly, just as I hold yours. I'm yours today and every day that follows.
I love you.